How to get the Zapinator in Terraria. So you absolutely cannot craft this weapon or find it in any underground chest. It's strictly locked behind the randomized inventory of the traveling merchant. So first you must ensure that you have at least 2 standard town NPCs living in valid houses to allow the merchant to visit your world randomly at dawn. Second is you must meet specific progression milestones to unlock the 2 different versions of this gun. So to get the pre-hard mode grey Zapinator, you absolutely must defeat either the Eater of Worlds or the Brain of Cthulhu. And to get the upgraded orange Zapinator, which is this one right here that I have, you strictly need to enter hard mode, so you will need to defeat at least one mechanical boss and buy it for exactly 50 gold coins. So just do note that when the traveling merchant arrives, it will have different items in his shop. So as you can see, if I refresh it right here, the items will be different just like that. So you strictly need these erratic magic weapons to completely obliterate bosses, as their leaders can randomly multiply their damage tenfold, slow down, or teleport through solid blocks upon striking an enemy. That is how you basically get the Zapinator in Terraria.